Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday, everybody. I know some people are going to begin to start using iReady over the next couple of weeks to get their students on to take the diagnostic. There's been a little bit of a hiccup in trying to get students logged in. Their information now is their student number, and their password is their initials and then their student number. So that will help eliminate some confusion. Though I know that was not the original credentials at the start of the year. As a teacher, there have also been some hiccups with logging in. They informed you that your username is your email address, dugasmannerschools.org, and they informed you that your password was mentor. However, when you go to do that for the first time, it will not work. So you're going to go to the forgot username and password. You're going to say you forgot your password. You're going to enter your username, which is your email, and you're going to enter your email, which is your email. Make sure you select Ohio, and then click Submit. It will send you a forgot password instruction to your inbox, and then from there it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll just create a password that you'll remember, and then come back to the login screen and log in. That will allow you to see the teacher dashboard side of things. If you have questions or need any help, let me know. Have a good weekend.